Hello and good day. My name is George Drimbau. I am a Romanian artist. I am currently creating a interactive, immersive, generative installation/game which will employ alongside classical augmented reality and other things, augmented reality for sound using user room tracking, in-ear headphones and spatialized sound. For this purpose, I am currently creating content in the form of a library of sorted abstract modules which should feed the generative system in various ways. Also, I have collected a large amount of elements, objects from disassembly and found objects, which I recombine in architectural ways and will either 3D scan to be used as digital props or use in situ for this work. I also keenly collect media and keep about 12 terabytes of it, which includes a almost complete history, sorted history of Western music. This is one of my concept artworks, which I think is relevant to this application. It is an object working on a basis of inverted bands to physically swap text. I would point out the similarities to Richard Feynman's thought experiment with inverted bands, and also the fixed permutational aspects of things like interferometers. I'll try to crack a joke. This in its so-called functioning literally uses physical superpositions of text. Now, my focus, my themes are culture as a dataset, the meaning of methodology in such a context, the blurring of differences between creator and audience, and psychological origins of codes and cultural rituals. My hypothesis for this project would be that considering unexpected datasets leads to new knowledge. Patterns of interwoven legitimizations, opinions, and theory finance reciprocities are naturally existing preconditions to the creation of any science. What if such patterns, once considered so-called extracted, were to be visualized in non-textual ways, in expressive ways, alongside the patterns which stem from the actual science itself? This could lead to partial poetry and partial knowledge through borderline scientific methods. As a concrete focus, although I need a lot of my liberty, as a possible concrete focus at CERN, I would focus on the networking system and its cruciality to the quantum science being generated, and also the legacy and facilities of networking at CERN. A possible work would be a generative net-based visualization using material obtained from a very, very careful and politically correct analysis or anything of things like, for example, if possible, the very response to this call for applications by the other artists or any other relevantly considered resource relevant for this complex public opinion and culture surrounding CERN and the whole meta context. The goal would be that this would lead to generative non-textual work which would feed possible in situ new media installations. My intention is to use but also surpass things like fetishization, popularization, metaphorization, and audience flattering, whilst maintaining PR efficiency and a suitable and more simplified public discourse. I do not see myself in a Nietzschean way as any kind of a synthesist or anything like that. I would like to use the metaphor as an analogy for my approach, the image of the blank square in a sliding image puzzle, and also use the image or the idea of the process of mirroring, which itself says something else than the things we can say about the mirrored object or the mirror image itself. I am very, very keen on this project, and thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.